Meaning of firestorm.
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 Firestorm. The term firestorm refers to a large, intense, and rapidly spreading fire that is often fueled by strong winds and other factors. A firestorm can be caused by a variety of events, including forest fires, volcanic eruptions, or even military attacks. When a firestorm occurs, it can devastate areas in its path, destroying homes, buildings, and other structures in a matter of minutes. The resulting blaze generates its own heat, creating powerful gusts of wind that can help the fire to spread even further. Ultimately, the aftermath of a firestorm can leave communities struggling to rebuild and recover from the damage.